Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset your iPhone. So if you want to factory reset your iPhone to make it new, yes, I can get it done. But before you embark on this process, make sure your iPhone is fully backed up. So once your phone is fully backed up, your iPhone is fully backed up, then you have no problem with this. Carry on with this process of trying to make your phone look new, or maybe you are running out of space, you have too much caches on your phone. Now we all know iPhone problem with deleting caches, so that's it. So for you to carry on this process, just tap on settings, then you scroll down a little, then you tap on general. From general you scroll all the way down, then you'll see a particular option which is transfer or reset iPhone. Then you tap on the option which is the second to the last option. Tap on it, then right here you can see we have two options. The first one is reset and erase all content and settings, but in this case we are just going to tap on reset, not erase all content. So just tap on reset. Then right here we have about 1 2 3 4 5 6 we have 6 options, 6 different features for you to be able to reset your iPhone. So the first one is reset network settings. You can just simply reset your network settings. Same thing goes with your keyboard dictionary, reset home screen layout, and reset location settings. But this time around you actually want to reset all settings. So that's why I said you must make sure your phone is fully backed up. So once it is backed up, you have no problem. So you just tap on this first option, which is reset all settings. Once you tap on it, your phone will turn itself off within a few seconds, and after that immediately it's power up itself again. Then you'll notice the difference between the previous one and the new one. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.